Programming a key fob for your 2002-2006 Cadillac Escalade is a simple DIY process. First, enter your vehicle with a working key. Next, close all doors. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off 3 times within 10 seconds. The door locks will cycle to confirm you're in programming mode. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 15 seconds until the locks cycle again. Repeat this process for any additional fobs you want to program. Up to 4 are supported. Finally, exit programming mode by turning the ignition to on and waiting 10 seconds. While programming is typically DIY friendly, here are a few things to keep in mind. The Escalade system operates at 314 MHz, using GM's Passlock 3 security. Ensure you use a compatible fob, as European 433 MHz fobs won't work. A new CR2032 battery is recommended. Typical range is 30 to 50 feet. If programming fails, rapid button presses or a worn body control module could be the cause. Try disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes for a full reset. Aftermarket fobs are available and often cheaper, but always verify FCC-ID compatibility. For high-mileage vehicles, BCM failures are more common, potentially requiring professional repair. If you are in an urban setting, the rolling codes may be old and not as secure. Consider upgrading for added security. By 2027, digital programming tools may make physical fobs obsolete, so it's possible these methods may not be necessary in the near future.